Junior welterweight division, Bogdan Pszebelski from Kazakhstan in the blue, Maxim Krepelka, Czech Republic in the red. Final junior bout of the day here in this cage, and it's a spin kick from Pszebelski to start the action. And the junior division being very skillful in this cage this morning on the opening day of this, the Unified World Championships for IMAF 2019, the Kingdom of Bahrain. Light on their feet, both young welterweights. Solid punching from Pszebelski. Krepelka looking to come in with his own left and right boxing combinations. Spinning back fist. Pszebelski doesn't quite find the target. Looks to spin again there. You saw the left hand was set up for the spin kick. Krepelka knew it was coming though. Chop slow at that lead leg, and when he takes Pszebelski off balance, he's got to capitalise. He didn't there. But that kick, when it takes your man off balance, follow it up, either for the takedown or the boxing. Pszebelski looks for the straight right. Looks for it again, the overhand right, backing Krepelka up. It's been an aggressive start from the young man from Kazakhstan. Left hook from Krepelka, but he wobbled there, he got hurt and he goes down. That shot and it's all over. I said it was an aggressive start from Pszebelski, and he followed it up. They both exchanged punches. Krepelka suddenly backed off. It was a delayed reaction, that was all. Pszebelski needed to fly in and finish with the heavy punches to get that TKO victory in the blue corner by way of strikes. He saw the waver, he saw the way that Krepelka had the delayed reaction, and then once he did that, he followed up very strongly, giving our referee no alternative but to stop it. And it's a big win in the opening round for the young man from Kazakhstan by way of strikes. Yes, big win for Pszebelski in emphatic style in the opening round of this junior welterweight contest.